Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making shrimp scampi. So first we're going to start in a heated skillet. We're going to add some oil and drop in our shrimp. We're going to saute our shrimp for about 3 minutes or until fully cooked. I usually move them around a little bit so they don't stick to the pan. Once that side is fully cooked, go ahead and turn it on its other side and let that side cook as well. After 1 minute has passed, go ahead and start removing your shrimp from the pan. Now, in a different pan, go ahead and preheat your pan till about medium-low. We're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. I use a little bit of the garlic and parsley butter and then the regular butter. Once that is pretty much melted, we're going to chop up some minced garlic and add that to the pan. Let that heat up. We're going to stir that up a little bit. Once this mix is heated, go ahead and pour in a little bit of heavy cream. After that, we're going to add in a splash of white wine. We're going to season this up with some garlic powder. Sprinkle in a fresh black pepper. Add in the chili powder. And last but not least, add in your fresh garnish, which is chopped cilantro or parsley. Now whisk those ingredients in together. You want this to heat up quite a bit, not to a boil, just enough so everything incorporates together well. Once everything is incorporated, turn off your heat, drop in your shrimp, toss your shrimp into that garlic sauce, and I do it pretty well so that the shrimp soaks up all those flavors. And there you go, your shrimp scampi. So quick, easy, and fun. Enjoy.